Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can unlink your Facebook with your Hunting Snipers account. Keep watching the video till the end. To unlink Facebook from Hunting Snipers account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Hunting Sniper application. The homepage of Hunting Sniper application will appear on the screen. From the homepage, tap on profile icon at the top left corner of the page. On the next page, tap on Secure Your Account option. Now to unlink your Facebook with Hunting Snipers account, tap on Disconnect with Facebook. Confirm disconnection or unlinking your account with Hunting Sniper, tap on Disconnect from the pop-up. This is how you can disconnect or unlink your Facebook with Hunting Snipers account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.